Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we're taking a look at a really cool fast charger for your mobile phones or other wireless devices, iPads, that sort of thing, whatever supports the specifications. So this is actually a relatively cheap option and has some very cool features which we'll go through in this video review. Now the retail price of this, starting off with, is somewhere in the region of about £15 here in the UK. Links from Amazon UK, etc, will be in the video description. If this specific brand isn't available elsewhere, then I will try and put a very similar one with similar features, so obviously do check the links when you click on them. But this does offer some very cool features, such of which is the fact that you can actually mount your phone in both directions, so you can have it in portrait or landscape. So if you're using it for possibly recipes or watching videos or just doing FaceTime calls, that sort of thing, then it's flexible in both of those regards. But one of the coolest features, which I really like, is the fact that there is an LED on the side which is actually reactive to light. So if you're potentially going to put this on your bedside table, in the bedroom, wherever it is, and when you turn the lights off, obviously you don't want to be blinded by an LED, it has actually got a photo light sensor on there. So when it gets dark, the light on the side dims, so it's not going to be distracting at night. It doesn't turn off entirely, but it does dim down so it's barely visible. So at least you know your phone is actually charging, but it isn't going to keep you awake at night. So that is some of the cool features out of the way. Let's take a look. We'll do a quick unboxing of this, go through what you actually get, and then we'll talk about some of the other cool features. So first of all, taking a look at the packaging, so you can see it's a pretty basic affair. The brand name of this is INIU, or INIU, I'm not too sure how you pronounce that. Again, something which is really cool about this, comes with a 3-year warranty. So you get 30-day money back, 3-year warranty as in if anything fails or it breaks, etc. And also get lifetime technical support. So yeah, that is pretty good, obviously assuming the company is still trading. A nice feature on the back actually tells you who the European and the UK distributors are, and also contact details should you need to get hold of someone if there should be a problem, if Amazon can't sort it out for you. Other than that, on the front box it just says about the fact this supports up to 15-watt charging. Now obviously when it comes to using Qi charging or QI charging, you do have to have a device which actually is compatible with it. And also it is going to be limited by the actual input, so do make sure that you've got a power plug or an outlet which will actually provide that amount of power. Now, most mobile phones these days will do somewhere between sort of 5 to 10 watts very easily. Some of the more modern ones will do 15, and obviously more modern ones will do even higher. This supports 3 main standards, so AFC, also PD, power delivery, and also QC for quick charge. Also included in the box, as you probably expect, it comes with a USB Type-C to Type-A cable, so you can connect up. No power adapter included, unfortunately. I don't think you'd probably expect that at this kind of price anyway. There's also some contact details again, so if you do want to get in touch with the distributor, you can do, and you can register your product. Also comes with a welcome guide as well, which actually is quite useful because it does tell you what the individual parts are, and also it does go into some detail telling you what specs it actually supports and what wattages you'll get for those specific specs. So let's take a look at the actual unit itself. It's actually quite weighty considering it is predominantly plastic, although there is a metal base as well. On the back there is the USB Type-C port, so you can plug in a USB Type-C cable, either the included one, or if you've got a longer cable that you wish to use because of you're trying to route it to a specific place, then you can choose to use your own specific USB Type-C cable. Also, there is another flexi cable at the top there. So this is actually really handy because you do have adjustment on here, so you can have it either completely upright or you can have it as much as 90 degrees, so completely flat should you wish to. Again, depending where you're mounting this, where you're using it, you should be able to put it on a desk, and being that it is raised slightly, you can adjust it so obviously if you're doing FaceTime calls or watching a video, you can get it so it doesn't give you neck strain. Obviously if it is considerably lower, i.e. kind of down on the desk, you do find yourself looking down, which can lead to neck strain. So the base itself, pretty good. A little bit of weight there as well to stop it toppling over. You've also on the bottom got some rubberized strips there to stop it skating around on surfaces if you've got it on like a glass top or just a tabletop. This doesn't really want to move around a lot, so it does keep it in place, which is very handy. So when it comes to the actual charging base, it is a dual coil version, so you can have it in either portrait or landscape mode, and there's a coil at the bottom and there's one at the top as well, so depending obviously how you're charging it and where the phone sits. There's also some rubberized sections at the bottom there to hold your device, and it does grip it quite nicely. And also there's a little cutout at the bottom, so if you do want to maybe plug in a charger for some reason, you can do, or if you've got speakers on the bottom or something like that, then it may let some of the audio out. On the side, there's not a great deal to speak of, but for me it's a very important thing. So we have an LED light here, so a little light strip to tell you if the device is on, off, charging, whatever it's doing. And at the very bottom there is that little photo sensor. So that essentially measures daylight or the light in your room, and depending on the light, you can turn the lights off and it will dim the light. You've probably got some B-roll of this showing so you can see how it works, but I'll try and demonstrate it shortly. So that is pretty much it for the actual stand itself. Pretty decent construction. So I'm going to plug in the USB Type-C cable and we'll get this thing powered up. So we've got the USB plugged in now. This isn't a particularly high wattage charger that it's plugged into, but it will go to show you how it works. So normally when you've got the device and there's nothing actually connected to it, there's nothing resting on it, then the light will stay off. When you grab your device and put it onto the charging section, you can see there the light has come on. Hopefully you can see that on the side there. So you can see it's a relatively bright light. It tells you that the phone is actually charging. When the phone is fully charged, that light will extinguish itself automatically. And also again, like I said, if you actually got to a situation where maybe it's the end of the day and you turn your lights off and you've got your phone charging, then when it gets dark, I'll simulate darkness by putting my finger over the sensor, and you can see the light dims to almost non-existent levels. So you know that the phone is still actually charging if it's completely dark, but it's not going to be distracting. Obviously when daylight comes in the morning, and if your phone isn't charged already, then the light will come back on to signify it's charging. Also, if you're concerned that it's going to be using too much power when it's not actually in use, when you take the device off of the charging dock, then after a few seconds it recognises the fact that there's no power going through and it will shut the unit down, which is very good and obviously saves energy and prevents heat, etc. Now, talking of heat, a lot of people are concerned with these devices that obviously with using kind of an inductive type charging method, it does generate some heat. Now this has got some really cool technology built into it, which means it doesn't need a fan. It actually regulates, so there is a temperature sensor actually in the coils, so if it generates too much heat then it will reduce the wattage accordingly until it gets to a nice equilibrium and isn't overheating. So you do have that to obviously stop it getting overheated, which is bad for your battery. Also, I should mention as well, some people are concerned whether or not your device is actually going to charge if you've got a cover on it. So you do have up to 5mm of gap between your actual phone battery or the adaptive charger before the unit. So like I've got a pretty thick case on my iPhone here and it works absolutely fine. As you can see, it is currently charging, and yeah, that works really well. And obviously if you put it into landscape mode as well, it works exactly the same because there is a coil here and there is a coil here. So in the phone it's somewhere around here, so it matches up absolutely perfectly every single time you put it onto the charger, which is handy because you don't want to have to double check these things to make sure it is actually charging. So yeah, very cool, very inexpensive. Now something else I should mention as well is this particular brand. Now this isn't sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. Literally, it's just something which I saw on Amazon. It came from ShopSmart, so that is our sister channel. So if you want to check out, please do so. Some excellent deals on there. This was actually reduced down to under half price. So normally it's around about £15–16. There was a voucher offer on and we got it for somewhere around about £7 or £8. We did also post that in our Discord, so if you do want to find out about deals, head over to our Discord as well as subscribing to ShopSmart. You will also find as well with this particular brand, they do seem to be doing kind of almost concurrent offers. So if they haven't got like a half price offer, then you may find there's other offers. Like at the moment, I believe there's a 20% off voucher available on Amazon UK. So overall, I think this is a fantastic value for money, especially if you get it when it's on offer. And even saying that, at full price, I think this is a very decent product with an excellent warranty and covers a lot of bases in terms of phones it's compatible with, such as iPhones, Androids, Samsungs, all those kinds of things, and covering up to 15 watts charging, again, depending on your particular device. So let me know what you think about this one in the comments section below. And if you want to find out more, obviously do check out those links. Don't forget to subscribe to ShopSmart, either on Facebook or actually on YouTube as well. And obviously if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, hit the subscribe button and the chime notification and you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.